In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a loan in QuickBooks. By the end, you'll have a clean liability account set up so you can track what you owe and keep your books accurate. Start by opening QuickBooks. Once you're in, look to the top right corner of your screen for the small gear icon. This is your settings menu, and it's where you'll find many of the tools for customizing your company's file. Click the gear icon, then under the section labeled Your Company, choose Chart of Accounts. The chart of accounts is the backbone of your bookkeeping. It lists every account your business uses to track money coming in, going out, and everything it owes or owns. Inside the chart of accounts, click the New button to create a new account. You're building the place where your loan balance will live. Give the account a clear, descriptive name so it's obvious later what it's for. For example, car loan, equipment loan, or business line of credit. A precise name will make reports and reconciliations much easier. Next, choose the account type. Select current liabilities. In accounting, a current liability is a debt due within the next 12 months. Many loans have both a current portion and a long-term portion, and setup choices can vary by company. If you're unsure how your loan should be classified, check with your accountant. For this walkthrough, we'll go with current liabilities to match the setup. For the detail type, choose other current liabilities. This option works well for a general loan when you don't see a more specific match. It tells QuickBooks the nature of the account while still keeping it flexible. Now, enter the unpaid balance. This is the principal you still owe to the lender as of a specific date. It should not include any future interest. The most reliable source for this number is your latest loan statement or amortization schedule. Accuracy here ensures your balance sheet reflects the right amount. Set the date for that balance. Think of this as the as of date, the point in time you want QuickBooks to recognize the opening balance. Many businesses use the start of a month, the start of a fiscal period, or the date they begin tracking in QuickBooks. Make sure it lines up with your documentation. When everything looks good, click Save. You'll return to the chart of accounts and see your new loan listed under liabilities. That's it. Your loan account is created and ready for future activity, so your books can clearly show what you owe and when.